Please give us a brief introduction.
I am Bikash Kiran Mishra. I completed my BA LLB Honours graduation from NUJS Kolkata in the year of 2018, and I joined as an Assistant Section Officer in the Law Department, Government of Odisha in the year 2019, and I am continuing there as such.
Secretary.
Yes, ma'am.
When you passed LLB?
April of 2018.
2018.
Yes, ma'am.
Thereafter?
I was preparing for UPSC exam, and I cleared the prelims in 2019, and at the same time I also cracked ASO, so I joined ASO to gain some kind of financial independence. And then after joining law department, I came across judicial officers who were posted there, and after interacting with them, my initial passion was OJS, and after interacting with them my passion was rekindled again. So I dropped my plans for UPSC and I am fully committed to OJS now.
So you are preparing for OJS?
Yes, ma'am.
Your native is at Calcutta?
No, ma'am, my native is Bhubaneswar.
Bhubaneswar.
Yes, ma'am.
You have already received license?
No, ma'am, I have not applied for license.
No, you will not yet apply?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, after I graduated for 1 year, I was fully committed to preparing for UPSC. So I thought I'll be going down the line of giving competitive exams. So I didn't get the opportunity to apply for license. Like that thought didn't come to me.
You must have gone to CPC?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the section 11? What does it relate to?
It related to res judicata, which says that once a matter has been finally adjudicated by a competent court, and the parties are not allowed to reopen it in another case. The same matter.
It is already decided by
Yes, ma'am.
the parties are said.
The parties are same, or they derive the same title.
Can you say the criminal section of 506?
50, no?
506. 506.
Of Indian Penal Code? Of Indian Penal Code?
Indian criminal procedure.
Criminal Procedure 506. No, ma'am, I'm not aware of it.
Criminal intimidation.
Criminal intimidation, yes, ma'am.
Can you remember now?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Then
So if any person threatens by the use of criminal force or any kind to force a person to do something which he doesn't want to do, that would be criminal intimidation.
punishment is
1 year. Mm, 2 years, ma'am, I am not sure.
whether it's valuable or non-valuable.
It is bailable.
506.
Yes.
Have you seen the amended sections?
No,
Go
ma'am.
through the amended sections. Recently you go to the what sections are amended.
Yes, ma'am.
You go through it.
Okay, ma'am.
So that will be up to date.
That is one suggestion for you. You have come to the last stage.
Yes, ma'am.
So see the book
Yes, ma'am.
chart
Okay.
506 when Bare Act or by the Bare Act or write the sections, subsections.
Yes, ma'am.
What have been amended recently? What are the sections which have been already amended?
Okay, ma'am.
The old books are not amended sections you write in your book
Okay, ma'am. I will try.
so that you will be updated. Otherwise, you cannot learn the sections and punishment sections you cannot get. Can you tell me the section 452?
452. No, ma'am, I'm not aware of it.
House trespass, you know?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the section?
Section I'm not aware of.
452.
452. So house trespass would be a person breaking into a house
Yes.
and committing trespass there while and it can take place at any there are various kinds of it. One can take place at after sunset and before sunrise, housebreaking by night,
Housebreaking by night.
and housebreaking,
Injuring any person.
yes, committing any kind of
Any kind of
death
offense.
or grievous hurt or wrongful restraint to anyone while committing house trespass.
You know the punishment.
I would guess it's
Several punishments for several sections.
this one.
452, 453. Whether the house trespass chapter is there.
This
Go
one.
through it. Go through the chapters and the sections.
Yes, ma'am.
It's very necessary. For judicial officer, if you will be appointed, these sections will be for you.
This one. I will go through.
$395 you know? You go through the chart,
This one.
legal chart.
It is some form of theft one.
395 docaty.
Dakaiti. This one. I can. Dakaiti.
395, all the sections, due sustain, bill sections are there.
This one.
City law to be assault, docaty in the highway
This one.
with deadly weapons. Family court, you don't know court materials, you don't know what, you know the family court.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the cases in family court? Generally one cases.
Ma'am, relating to divorce, maintenance, adoption. So anything concerning personal laws guided by
Now
personal.
it is one new court has been established, POCSO court.
POCSO.
What is that?
It's from-
the work of that court?
Protection of children from sexual offences. So anyone below the 18.
Cases were tried there.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the trial court for the sexual harassment of the children.
Yes, ma'am.
Juvenile court, you know,
Juvenile court. Yes, I mean child in conflict with law.
juvenile court.
Yes. So anyone above the 12 years and below 16 years who has committed a crime, they're not really tried, but they are there's a special procedure
Which
for.
court deals with it? Is there any special juvenile court or in the power? Have any idea?
I think there's a child care institution and all, but courtroom. I don't think there's a separate court.
Chief Judicial Magistrate has the power, even the was given the power for juvenile justice board is there also.
Juvenile Justice Board. Yes.
Deal with the juvenile cases. I have no idea about the course. This is the theory portion you have received and you are lacking the sections.
Yes, ma'am.
You read the sections. Section will be asked. You have read the section 420, 420, 421,
Yes.
419,
420 is cheating.
419,
Not aware.
420 is
Cheating.
cheating. 421,
Some form of cheating.
go through the ingredients and the sections.
Yes, ma'am.
Which of the section?
Have you visited the courts, different
No,
courts?
I have not listed.
I had done one internship, so I had gone.
Is it that,
Here, district court,
District court?
Yes.
Bhubaneswar district court?
but way back in second year, in my second year, so
Second year.
2014.
Students and
Yes.
But you do not know how to advocate.
No, so ASO secretariat.
You became a ASO secretary when?
In 2019, sir, July 2019.
19.
Yes, sir.
After pass.
After passing.
After
So
pass.
prior to that, you have never gone.
No, sir.
After that, you could not go because of your engagement in the secretariat.
Yes, sir.
But prior to that, you have not gone.
No, sir.
Or you have never thought of going.
Sir, I was
Nobody advised you to
No,
go
I-
and visit the court.
Not I.
No, that's the fact. Because you know only will you read and write, remember and write, but not all the any other things. But practical experience is necessary also.
Yes, sir.
As doctor, science students, I see this when the students they have practical class. So you have to, this is also practical classes.
Yes, sir.
At least once or twice you visit the Supreme Court.
Now you are going to be
See
judge.
here.
So you see how judges behave to advocates and how advocate behaves to judges. So that when you will come to the power, you will not be worried. You have seen how what is their behavior, what is their activities.
Yes, sir.
And as a judge, you will work, you will hear many and speak less.
Speak less, sir.
Nothing more. But let them say whatever they have stock. That will exist. There are nothing. But if you interfere, they will hear it. So the client will know my advocate is very powerful. He is saying, going or saying whatever he likes. Hakim, how are you?
Is there any member from the legal family member in legal line?
No, ma'am.
Then why so was interested in legal line?
So I had my 12th, I was a science student in my 12th, so, but my marks were not that great. So I was advised by one of my friend to appear for CLAT, saying that it's some exam that you will probably, it will probably suit your talents, because I think I'm a little good at GK and reasoning also. So I appeared for CLAT at that time and I got a good rank at my first try. So then I dropped a year and tried again. And once I joined NUJS in Kolkata, I realized that in reading law and understanding why law is framed and how it is used is much more like I enjoyed more than just reading science. So I have been at it.
We are interested in this line.
You have science degree.
Science student.
Yes, sir. I had my science stream 11th and 12th. I was a science student. CBSE. CBSE.
Have you, what are the important law books that is necessary to enter in law? What are they? In lower court, in high court, that is the foundation. What are those books?
For CPC, it would be Takwani. For CRPC, I refer to SN Mishra. People also refer to Kelkar.
No, I don't know the names. All the books, CPC, CRPC.
Yes, sir. Evidence, IPC. To High Court practice, even transfer of property, specific relief, limitation, suits valuation, those things are necessary also, I think. And other, if you're doing family cases, then family law also, Hindu Marriage Act, Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act, Succession Act, and
Above all,
Constitution.
first you should not do Constitution. What is the preamble of the Constitution?
We the people of India solemnly resolve to
Having solemnly resolved
to constitute
to constitute
India into a secular, sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. I think there's a liberty of thought, expression, belief, justice, justice, socio-economic and political, I can't remember this.
but read it and get it by heart. Because in constitution that gives everything flows from constitution. So also, Everything comes to close from CPC, CRPC, IPC, everything. You cannot start, if you don't have any knowledge about this, you cannot go to High Court.
Yes, sir.
Also you cannot go to Supreme Court. Everything depends upon law.
Yes, sir.
And the law flows from this.
Yes, sir.
So you have to get by heart it. I'll see, madam, put the questions on IPC.
Yes, sir.
IP says what provision is there for what. CRP says how to follow it.
Yes, sir.
Evidence Act says how to and what to and when to do it.
Okay, sir.
That is Evidence Act. What is a fact? What do you mean a fact?
A fact would be something that is perceived through senses, such as hearing or listening, hearings or seeing something, and that is called physical fact. And psychological fact would be something that is felt, like your intention, your motive, or what a person is feeling while doing something. So that is a psychological fact.
What is the truth?
Truth would be an impartial, unbiased observation of a situation, something that you perceive through your own five senses.
If you could not perceive, that is not truth.
If you cannot perceive something, then maybe it doesn't exist for you. But if you are perceiving something in through your five senses, that is, and whatever you are perceiving without any your mind coming into play, any bias or any impartiality, whatever you are observing is the truth.
Truth is always a fact. Fact is always a truth.
So,
You are sitting before me.
yes, sir.
It is a fact.
Yes, sir.
And it is also truth
Yes, sir.
that you are sitting before us.
Yes, sir.
So fact and truth are both sides of same coin. Not necessarily everything in any other means. But the only thing is, fact is a truth, truth is a fact. If you visit the courts, High Court or Lower Court, first you go on visiting from Lower Court and see them, observe them.
So,
What is the transaction going on there? Then you can make yourself like that.
I'll try, sir.
What is
Legal section? What is your work there?
Although I'm attached to the establishment section, I do some legislative work. So recently there was a repealing bill, a law that it's not a law anymore, it's just a bill now, in the stage of bill that was passed to do away with 206 number of redundant acts. So a lot of acts have become redundant over the passage of time. There was colonial era acts, and some of the acts in recent times also have become redundant because they are mere amendment acts. So under General Clauses Act, once amendment acts are incorporated into a principal act, it loses its force. So I think there was a list of some 400 acts that were circulated among the departments, and we got a feedback on 206 acts. So we incorporated them. It was passed in the cabinet, and now it will be laid in the assembly this session. So I'm doing legislative work. There's a Delhi High Court judgment asking all the state governments to upload all the acts, state acts, online, so that a common man can easily access them and understand what is the law, updated versions of all the acts. So I was a part of that also. I'm also assisting my secretary in other works, like Constitution Day was observed, so we did a webinar on that. Our secretary is also writing a book about judicial history of Odisha, so I'm assisting in that. So
Who is your secretary?
Sasikant Mishra, sir.
Vishwas?
Sasikant Mishra, sir.
What is the law?
What is?
Law.
If law is, once I was told my senior that law is common sense. It's like strong common sense.
Very good.
Strong common sense.
Strong common sense.
One is going, and he or she about to fall down. You caught him and saved him. But you suppose you are a man, you are a human,
So,
and you have heart, and you could not see that he should fall down. But another man is there, he did not like it. Does the law compel him?
no, sir. It is a moral obligation.
The moral, but it is not law.
No, sir.
But law is you have to walk in the left side of the road.
Yes, sir.
But if you go to road side, right side of the road, you will be punished.
Yes, sir.
That is the law.
Yes, sir.
So, and the law is passed by the assembly, by the legislators, and that must be carried out. In the event it is not carried out, then you will be punished. That is the law.
Yes, sir.
So law is state-made law by the legislature. Source in center, parliament, and MPs,
Yes, sir.
they will make the law. So the law, every citizen of the country is bound to
Follow.
obey the law. In the absence of that, the position is no way. That's the law. What is the rule of law and the law of rules?
Rule of law is that when the court pronounces a judgment or there is a law, everyone must abide by it, and precedents must be followed. Precedents of court must be followed, and a judgment of a court should be honored by the people, by the citizens. Law.
How many types of law are there?
How many types of law?
How many types of laws are there?
Civil and criminal to start with, and
There are two types of law. One is state-made law, and this is central-made law. Law is made. One is rule of law. Rule of law, remember one word, rule of law. Things must be done what the rule says. Things must be done as the law says. That's the rule of law.
so,
In the event of violation of that rule, he will be dragged either to lower court or Supreme Court.
so,
In the violation of a rule of law, rule says this, and you are bound to do this. If not, you will be punished. This is the rule of law.
yes, sir.
What is the law of rule?
Law of rule.
Law of rule means whatever law may say, or whatever rule may say, I will do this.
Yes,
That is law of rule. Nahi.
yes, sir. हाँ.
कोई बड़ा अपना जो मजे बसी इधर का जिसका मैं स्ट्राइक करेगा सुप्रीम कोर्ट कौन करेगा सुप्रीम कोर्ट कहेगा you have a right for strike but peacefully not violently violently असुविधा है ना law of rule rule of law the rule of law law से जो rule है ना rule of law है आयन के शासन
Sir.
it is law of rule में जामनदार करने आना What are these rule? You know, one should be very cautious and conscious of the rules so that he can apply what to do and what not to do. Rule टा कौन कौन सी? बर्तन जो amendment हो गया जो जो redundant है क्या जो rule कैसे हो?
Sir.
वो it is losing its force
Yes,
and you have to analyze and you have to separate and you have to just make it out of the books.
Yes, sir.
Because it is not necessary.
Not necessary.
That rule is there ऊपर है. अब ये तो अगर पढ़ी कितना मौका है वो बहुत चुका हो गया पढ़ के. आपको पता है
ଗୋଟେ ଆପଣ ସଜେସନ ଗୋଟେ ଜେଏମଏଫସି କୋର୍ଟ
Ma'am.
ଜେଏମଏଫସି କୋର୍ଟ ଅଛି ଆପଣ ଥିଲା ସେଠି ସେ କୋର୍ଟରେ ଗୋଟେ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ ହେଲା ଗୋଟେ କନଭିକ୍ସନ ହେଲା against that conviction order ଜଣେ କୋଉଠି ଯିବ
This Sessions Court, District,
ସେସନ୍ସ ଅର୍ଡର ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର
High Court,
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର
Supreme Court.
ଗୋଟେ ଆସିଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ସେସନ୍ସ ଅର୍ଡର ତା ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର କୋଉଠି ଯିବ
I think District Court ही जाइपड़िବ बोधे additional.
सब कंपलसरी
Tell me something about your achievements. What achievements have you written in your biodata form?
I think I've written quizzing, and I have written about I've written basically quizzing. I have won TCS Rural ITVage at national level as a runners-up, and I also I was the winner of the Laureate Shield quiz in 2016, Kolkata. So different.
So, if you join judiciary, then one thing will be, these kind of, like participation in quiz and whatever talent you have, that may not, you may not get a scope here. So why are you interested to join judiciary? More like you can, go in the academics, like become a professor or something, and these things maybe you can do justice. What is your point of view?
I think I will seek permission from my superiors to appear for quiz competition. If I'm denied on some ground,
Quiz competition,
so-
they give you permission.
if
You know the workload that you will face there. So maybe
obviously not compromising with my workload. If I get any from
maybe many times in your higher personal needs also, you will not get leave.
You are in a better post now, of course. Yes, so we always remain at Bhubaneswar and can do any work you like.
Get quarters, stay here, but
And side work you can also do. When in judiciary means you will entirely fully devote your time
but
for that.
you can do, if you are really law-knowing man, you can do justice for many poor people also. That is one side. Those who are fond of doing justice, they never look at this. If they are
doing a good job.
so, job is something different. Work intention is something different. So, if you want to do justice, if you are fond of reading the law, if you are attracted to the law, and you are fond of interpreting the law, so definitely you will like it. Whatever you may get it, whatever you will get it. But if you are fond of properties, other things, then you will doing so much work. Side work or the same. Sure.
Okay, so that will be the end of thing.
You have answered very nice.